Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram has stopped. To know how to fix Instagram has stopped, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps. When you will see this list, you will enter to application of Instagram here. And when you will see this list, you will go to force stop. And when you will end this, you will enter to storage, and then here in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your phone so that you can know how to fix Instagram has stopped. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.